I've never done this before. I'm going to reveal the exact business stack I use to operate my multi-million-dollar solopreneur business. And I hope this will help people out there who are just wondering, like, what tools should I use, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to cover all different areas, but first hit follow and save this video for later. Okay, basic stuff, company incorporation. I incorporated as a Delaware C Corp. I use Stripe Atlas to do it all for me, manage all the documents, and I also use Stripe for all of my subscription billing. Now, Stripe is partnered with a bank called Mercury, which is really startup friendly, super modern design. This is what I use for my startup bank. I've had no issues with it. For my website, I use an app called Webflow. It's not amazing, but I purchased like a $50 template, filled out the text and images, and really haven't changed it since I launched the company. In order to acquire customers, I use my own app, Blotato, for social media marketing. It helps me schedule everything, create content, etc. Now for customer support, I use Intercom for both email marketing as well as the messenger widgets in my app. But the actual brain of my AI support agent running 24/7 lives in self-hosted N8N. N8N is a workflow automation platform. It can be used for a diversity of use cases. Now I like to use N8N with Claude Code, which is my primary coding tool as well. I've been using Claude Code for over a year, far longer than most AI influencers you're probably listening to. Now, how do I use Claude Code? Some people like Terminal, some people use Visual Studio Code. I'm a masochist, so I use Emacs. And then to keep track of all of my stuff that I'm trying to do, I use two different tools, literally a Google Doc that I call my diary, where I just dump different ideas and different memories that I make throughout the process. And then for technical tasks, I use GitHub Projects, Kanban board, and it's really nice because you can have integrated with the GitHub Actions, integrated with Claude Code, super nice. Things I do not own include a hairbrush, makeup, a dress, cats. I'm allergic to cats. I'm really bad at taking care of flowers, but if I was better at taking care of flowers, I would love to have my office. Now, what do I use for making content? Everybody asks me this. So for my short videos, I go on like TikTok Reels and Shorts. I just use TikTok Studio. It's free. You get native looking TikTok captions. It's easy. For longer form YouTube tutorials, I use Descript, right? But there's a billion tools out there. I use TeleTV for a long time. Screen Studio is another one. For my live streams, my setup's a little bit tricky, but I use OBS, which is open source. For my DM automations on Instagram and Facebook, I use ManyChat. My primary browser is Chrome, and my favorite extension is Vimium, so I can navigate the browser with my keyboard. And I use Claude in Chrome to automate browser tasks. For example, Claude in Chrome is what actually creates my ManyChat DM automations automatically. In terms of my physical setup, I have a Stressless recliner, best home office purchase ever. I have a Glove 80 wireless keyboard. I'm very big into ergonomic keyboards. I used the Kinesis for a long time, but I have tiny fingers. I have two monitors that are stacked vertically. So the bottom monitor is like my primary one, and then secondary stuff goes on the top monitor. I use a MacBook Pro for content and because it's portable, and then my primary workstation is a Mac Studio. And for voice dictation, I use VoiceInk because you only have to pay once. It's not a recurring subscription fee. Other things I surprisingly don't have are a lawyer, insurance, and employees.